One of the most appealing features of Class Dojo are the possibilities for communicating with parents. You'll see here I have a big red 0 at the top of my screen. If I click this, it says Connect Parents. As of right now, I've connected 0 of 3 parents. There are 2 ways that I can communicate with parents and get them on Class Dojo. One option is by entering an email. Another option is to enter a phone number, or you can download and print all invites. When invitations are downloaded, they show up on the bottom of your screen or in your downloads. Upon clicking the invites, you're presented with instructions on how to send out student and parent invites. Each page looks like this. The student's name is at the top, followed by the name of you and your classroom. It gives the parent an introduction as to how to put together their own account. If they are new to Class Dojo, they can enter the new app and create a new account through the app, maybe existing users. In this case, they can just enter the parent code that is provided. In order to connect students have a specific code that begins with an S. The parent code begins with a P, and the student code always begins with an S. There are links for them to join. One is connected to our class for the parent, and for the student, they need to create their own account through Class Dojo. By creating their own account, students are able to create their own avatar. Students can change their avatars as they work through Class Dojo.